Working in denim means embracing imperfections. The imperfect beauty of denim makes every pair of jeans tell a story, and that's what makes it authentic. My name is Jorge Bunchikov, and I am the founder of BDA. Whether you're breaking in a pair of raw jeans or creating a wash in the lab, every pair is one of a kind. Denim is like a work of art, shaped by time and by the person who wears it. Here in Paraguay, we've worked hard to create a factory that blends into the landscape. Over a decade ago, we planted native trees and set up a water recycling system to reduce waste and care for the land. Being transparent about what we do and how we make our products is more important than anything.